All the hurting people out there listening tonight, are you really gonna let that pain ruin the rest of your life? What they did was unforgivable, but forgive them you must, or you'll keep giving them your power until you learn that you can trust. Creator of your soul, the one who gives salvation, the one who makes you whole, the one who lights the darkness, the one who heals the pain, the only holy God above, the one who breaks off your heavy chains. You never know is here for you today. If human beings have hurt you, it's time to run away to the one who's always loved you, who fills you with his light. Leave your anger at the doorway. Trust God will make things right. This whole world has played a game. It's the game of bait and switch, and it always ends the same. You are left an angry, empty shell who trusted in the lies. Don't you know that Satan masquerades as an angel in disguise? But the Lord transform you and give you joy again. There's nothing He can't do. He will not turn away. If you truly want His love, start telling Him today. Never be the same. You step into the freedom, you step into the light, you step into His power, and you'll step into His might. In the Lord God Almighty, the Creator of your soul, the one who breaks off your heavy chain.